Once upon a time, Gautam Buddha was sitting under a tree. One day, a furious man came to him and started abusing him. The man thought that Gautam Buddha would also reciprocate in the same manner, but to his surprise, there was not even the slightest change in the expression on his face. Now, the man became even more furious and hurled some more abuses at Buddha. However, Buddha was completely unmoved. Actually, there was a look of compassion on his face. Ultimately, the man got tired of abusing him and asked, "I have been abusing you like anything, but why are you not angry at all?" Gautam Buddha calmly replied, "My dear, I have not accepted a single abuse from you, but you heard all of them, did you not? I do not need the abuse, so why should I even hear them?" Now the man was even more puzzled. He could not understand the calm reply from Gautam Buddha. Looking at his disturbed face, Buddha further explained, "All those abuses remain with you. It cannot be possible that I have heard all the abuses at you." The man persisted, and Buddha calmly repeated his reply, "But I have not accepted even a single abuse from you. Dear, suppose you give some gift to somebody, and if that gift is not accepted by him, with whom will that gift remain?" The man replied, "If I have given the gift and it is not accepted by someone, then that gift would naturally remain with me." With a meaningful smile on his face, Buddha said, "Now you are right. The same has happened with your abuses. You came here and abused me, but I have not accepted a single abuse from you. Hence, all those abuses remain with you only. So there is no reason to be angry with you." The man remained speechless. He was ashamed of his behavior and begged for Buddha's forgiveness. We see in our life that we get upset by what people say about us. By doing so, we are actually letting them control our peace of mind. If someone is abusing you or saying something unfair about you, they are actually trying to disturb your peace of mind. And if we get angry or upset by their words, then we are actually letting them succeed in their goal. Therefore, don't get upset with what people say about you. Control your anger with patience and calmness, and that's the biggest strength of a wise man. Subscribe now for life-changing content. Join us on this incredible journey of growth, inspiration, and fulfillment. Unlock your potential and embrace a life worth living. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this amazing adventure together.